Hi, it's Susan here and welcome to In the Craft Room. I've got my hands on issue number 12 and we're going to be making the Windmill Sails Patch. We're going to be using the meadow spot, the yellow sprig and the blue floral. We've used these fabrics before in the windmill patch. They look very similar, but I think this one would be a bit easier to make. To make the windmill sails, I've got 4 templates photocopied onto light card ready to cut out. We're going to need 4D templates of the blue floral, the 4D templates of the meadow spot fabric, and 4 of the C template of the yellow sprig. Our first step is to cut out our windmill sails templates. I'm going to be following the cutting line very carefully. So we've got our template pieces all cut out. I'm now going to follow the guide and give our fabric a press and place our template pieces onto the fabric in the most economical way. I'm going to start with the blue floral. For the blue floral, we're going to need 4 of the D templates. And I'm going to look at their placements. So the D's all point inwards. Because I'm going to need the D template also for the meadow spot fabric, I'm going to pin my D template onto the blue floral first and cut them out. So I've got my template D pinned to the blue floral. I'm going to now cut out the template shapes. We've got our blue floral triangles from the D template cut out. I'm going to do the same now with the meadow spot. So we're finished with our D templates. We've cut out both of the fabrics. Instead of the yellow sprig, I'm going to be using this fabric here just to make it a bit more vibrant. I'm fully aware we've already got a square featuring these colours and I think they're way too similar. I'm now going to place the C templates down and cut out my pieces. So here are our C and D pieces cut out. So we're finished with our templates. I'm going to place the formation of the patch out in front of me. I'm going to use the guide and follow the design. So here we have the prepared windmill sail patch. All the pieces are laid out and they're ready to be sewn together. A lot of this preparation takes a very long time, and you'll often see our filming in fast motion. A lot of these patches on average take about an hour or so to prepare. Although it's ready to be sewn together, I'm not going to be doing that today. So I look forward to seeing you next time when we follow the instructions really carefully and sew together the windmill sail. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.